Hey guys, welcome back. Another video because I think I'm gonna show you guys what new with me. I'm gonna open a new camera, a vlog camera. It's been on my wish list for so long, and now I think it's the right time to get it. So you don't have to wait for too long. It is the DJI Osmo Pocket number 3. I think it's become so popular within the beauty blogger community who's a year or two already. I just followed it like I'm not like a trend getting or something. I just want it for my vlog, and I think it's like a smaller one will be best for me to bring out as an introvert person, because you know it's kind of hard to go out and carry a super big camera on your hand when I'm like super shy about seeing people watching me vlogging. Today I'm like, this is the one. I'm gonna open it now. Buying the regular from the Osmo Pocket, the DJI store. It's out of stock at that time, so I decided to get it from the cheap photo. I don't know if you guys know about the shop. Yeah, I got it from there. This is a combo, creator combo. I think it's the most popular combo that you can get as a YouTube creator or a developer like a blogger. So this is what it is inside. Is that it's gonna include in the box? It's gonna include the Osmo Pocket 3, the cover, the transmitter, the number 2 DJI microphone number 2, the handle, 1/4-inch thread, and battery handle, mini tripod, the USB-C, the carrying bag, clip magnet, and windscreen, wide angle lens, and this strap. So let's open this. Everything basically is put inside this bag already. It's a travel bag, and I think that the charger stuff is gonna stay in here. Okay, so this is the bag with the receipt or the tag on. So what's inside? Basically everything's inside here. The first thing I see is the Pocket 3. The camera is here. The black one, super nice and cute and tiny. It's like fitted right in your palm, and it's like, oh my god, you can take this everywhere you want to go. So there's a sticker on top. I'm gonna take that later. See what else is there. So there's a few different small compartments for the for everything. So this is the transmitter, mic, and the middle one is the battery. I think it's the battery. With the USB-C. So the battery handle, it's like when you use it, you just put it at the bottom. It's going to help charging it. And then there's this area, the USB-C for the charger. Oh, it's just a mini tripod, so you can put it at the bottom for it to stand. There's a handle. I still don't know why I'm doing that. So I open the mini tripod. It's so small, it's like handheld, travel size. Then other area is like charger for the battery, the wrist strap, and then a little windscreen, mic windscreen. right angle lens. It's tiny, I can put it on top, I guess. And I think that's it. That's the case, guys. And the menu is right here. So here's the manual. Here. Okay guys, I guess that's it for today. So I don't have an SD card. I cannot film the video. I cannot use this yet. So I'm gonna go get one. I'm gonna be back and show you guys more later. But I'm excited to start using this. So be patient with me, and I'm gonna come back with video show you guys how we're using this. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.